Where to take trades on Dogecoin, Ripple, and Worldcoin? Let's analyze together, and I will show you clear ideas what I plan to trade. For a start, let's do Dogecoin, after that WLD, and after that Ripple. Many of you wrote to me, asked me what was the reason behind this massive drop, why Dogecoin had dropped since its high more than 44%. Honestly, I warned quite a lot of you 1 month ago. It was exactly 13th of November, where I shared with you that after such massive rise, in best case scenario, there would be quite significant pullback or significant range. Dogecoin, as you can see, did it. In that area, in that video, I mentioned key zone from 24 to 30, and Dogecoin reached exactly middle of that key zone. Why that happened once more? Because there was massive volume spike exactly into a top. You need to understand that people who bought Dogecoin at bottom, they had good opportunity to sell it. You need to understand that market moves because of liquidity. Have a look, biggest volume exactly at top. Price did only this high, and after that you can see structure had changed. What about right now about Dogecoin? Honestly, in best case scenario, what I would advise you to do to take trades only at important key levels. Even have a look on this example on a Dogecoin. Where was the best place to take a trade? Yes, when price reached this beautiful key zone from which price bounced quite many times. It was statistically the best place to consider a trade. And at this moment on Dogecoin, I think in best case scenario, something like this could appear. It is the best case scenario. In worst case scenario, Dogecoin would never do higher high. That's why, what's my plan? At this moment, inside of this key zone, let me show to you that key zone, I would look for long trade on Dogecoin. For me, at this moment, key support would be this low volume node. I think price can cover it. It would be around 2022. It would be this key level I would use as a high, as a low offer range. And the high offer range, it would be this local bottom, 26. If price would reach this area, of course, there I would be happy to take a long trade. That's why for Dogecoin, once more, price reaches this key zone. Here we take long trade. With the first target, it is to take this point of control of this entire range. It would be first target. If I would take a trade there, what would be my take profit stop losses? My entry would be, let's assume price reach only this low. My stop loss in that case would be 5%. First target would be before this important point of control. Price often tested. It would be 0.37 my first target. And second target would be to take this all-time high. Why I share with you two targets? Because sometimes you don't know will price take high, but you need to close your profit by parts and be out of risk, and that's the best strategy. Remember, my friends, what you do right now, you follow me on my public Telegram, because every update about BTC, Dogecoin, Ripple, even have a look, yesterday I recorded beautiful BTC update, before BTC update, Solana update. What you do, open any idea, you go in description and you follow me on Telegram to get more updates in the future. Okay, let's go to other top coin. Let's go to Worldcoin. Before I summarize to you, here I look for long. Also, there could be potential short, depends what price would test for a start. If price from this area would start rising at this key level, at this key zone, I would look for local short. Imagine a situation that in price do not take this lower low and price only tests this point of control. Here, of course, I would take some local short. Approximately something like this would be my potential stop loss and take profit. It would be this around 0.38 entry and target to take low of this local value. It would be approximately a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. Let's go to other beautiful coin. Let's go to Worldcoin, and after that, of course, I will cover with you Ripple. Worldcoin is really interesting at this moment because price reached super important key zone. Right now, you can see that the price reads this point of control of entire range. We have two important significant volume, lower point of control and higher point of control. And often such significant volume played out as a powerful support and resistance. At this moment, you can see price exactly reach it. And if this coin would like to become bullish and would like to pump, here, this area must played out as a powerful support. Because if this area would not played out as a powerful support, it would be a signal that all of this long scenario is over, and there could be even test of lower low. That's why let's assume there would be beautiful rise. And what exactly would be my plan at this moment? First, I bought this coin on a spot. Second, right now, what would be the best plan for me? Right now, I would be super happy to see price create at this moment this beautiful range. And if price would make lower test of this lower value area low, here it would be possible to consider taking long trade. Because if this at this moment value is for rise, this area must play out as a powerful support. Because if this area would not play out, it would be a signal that like it would be really so bad for Worldcoin. That's why my plan is super simple. In a case if Worldcoin would test this key zone around $2, here I would look for long. But there I would be happy to see some local confirmation. What is a local confirmation for me? Let me show to you example. It is some significant delta absorption as it was here. For example, yesterday, massive delta absorption on BTC. Or it would be some significant liquidation or a rise of open interest. Anything like that would be a good signal to take long. At this moment, as you can see, volume dropped, open interest nearly stable. That's why I wait for confirmation. When I will see that confirmation, of course, I will take a trade. And of course, my friends, let's go to third repo. Before, I would like to finish you with my targets. If long would played out, first target would be to take this important key zone. And second target, of course, would be to take high of this range. It would be my two targets. Let's analyze Ripple, because Ripple really interesting at this moment. We took so many beautiful trades with our community on Ripple, and I would like to show you how our people took it. It was really beautiful. We traded Ripple in both directions. I sent quite a lot of beautiful signals to our community on Ripple, and many of them took beautiful trades. Quite a lot of people made good money on Ripple, though their signals, you can see Ripple, I traded up and down, and for me it was doesn't matter in what direction to trade it. And if you also would like to receive such signals from me and my team, where I share, for example, a Ripple plan, very exactly to take a trade. After that, I tag everyone because I would like all of you to take it. And after that, my community mates share with me such updates when they made good money. What you do? Below this video, there would be get access to our private trading club. You open this link. There would be such form. You fill this form. You choose your country. You write your phone number, email, and my team will help you to join our community to start making money with us. About Ripple, if you remember, we took quite a lot of trades with my community. I took a beautiful short here. Also, I took beautiful short here. I took beautiful long here, and we took beautiful long here. Honestly, I waited for some short, but here I waited if price would take higher high. And honestly, I wanted to take short at higher high, but that's the reason why I missed all of this drop. At this moment, honestly, the best place to take long would be if Ripple somehow would take lower low. It is nearly the same as I shared Dogecoin example for quite a lot of you. Let's come back. Dogecoin example here. When Dogecoin did pumping, and you can see what they did. They retested this key zone so many times. And even here, they bounced from that key zone. That's why at this moment on Ripple, my plan is super simple. I wait. Because right now Ripple in the middle of this local value, and honestly I don't know what would be the direction of a move of this entire value. That's why I wait. If Ripple would take this key zone and there would be confirmation, I would take long. In that case, my target, of course, would be first target would be to test point of control of this entire range, which is nearly 240. Before 240, I would definitely close it, big part of my position, maybe 60, 70%. And if price breakthrough fixable, it would be a signal that there would be taking of higher high. And second key zone where I would take long on Ripple, it would be exactly this key zone. It would be this lower point of control, because there could be situations that, for example, Ripple, instead of showing some absorption here, would make significant drops super fast as it was here. Second key zone where I would like to take long would be exactly here. That's why I have two plans on Ripple. First plan to take long at this key zone, with a target point of control, and in the case of consolidation, to take higher high. And second key zone, it is this one. It is around 150. In that case, my target would be value area low of entire range, 220, if you would take a trade here. That's why, my friends, tell me what do you think? What would be the best place to take a trade? What would be which scenario will play out? Remember to join community, because when I will see a clear pattern, I will share it with our community members. And right now, watch this video lesson about volume profile, because you can see how volume profile help us find key areas where to take trade, and it also will help you. Have a good time. Merry Christmas.